Do you also get confused between a lawyer and an advocate? What about solicitor and barrister? Are they the same or different? Let me make it crystal clear for you in the simplest way. Hi, I am Rita. I simplify law so that you can understand it without confusion. In today's video, we will clearly understand the difference between a lawyer, advocate, solicitor, and barrister step by step with simple examples. So let's get started. What is a lawyer? What is a lawyer? A lawyer is a general term for a person who has studied law. For example, if someone completes an LLB degree, that person can be called a lawyer. But that does not always mean the person is practicing in the court. A lawyer may work in many different places. For example, in a company as a legal advisor, in a government department, in legal drafting, in legal research. So remember one important idea. A lawyer is a general category. Every advocate, solicitor, or barrister is a lawyer, but not every lawyer is an advocate. Yes. Example, interesting example. Imagine a person studied law but works as a legal advisor in a big company. That person reads contracts, prepares legal documents, gives legal advice. But that person never argues cases in court. Yes. Such type of person is still called a lawyer but not necessarily an advocate. What is an advocate? What is an advocate? Now let's talk about advocate, which is very important in India. Yes. An advocate is a lawyer who is legally allowed to practice in court. In India, to become an advocate, a person must follow certain steps. First, the person must complete LLB. Second, the person must enroll in the Bar Council of India. This system is governed by the Advocates Act 1961. Yes. When a lawyer is enrolled, that person becomes an advocate and can represent client in the court. Yes, advocates can argue cases before judges, prepare legal petitions, defend accused persons, cross-examine witnesses. Yes. Interesting court example. Imagine a criminal case. A person is accused of theft. That person appoints an advocate to defend the case in the court. The advocate will study the evidence, prepare legal arguments, and present the case before the judge. This courtroom role is what makes an advocate different from a general lawyer. Yes. What is a solicitor? What is a solicitor? Now let's talk about solicitor. The term solicitor is mainly used in country like the United Kingdom, UK. Yes. A solicitor is a lawyer who usually gives legal advice to clients, drafts contracts, prepare legal documents, handle legal paperwork. Yes, solicitors usually work directly with clients. Yes. In many cases, they prepare the entire legal work. But when the case goes to higher courts, a solicitor may send the case to another expert lawyer called a barrister. Yes. Example. Suppose a business owner wants to start a company. Business owner visits a solicitor. Solicitor will prepare contracts, draft legal documents, give legal advice. Yes. What is a barrister? What is a barrister? Now let's understand the term barrister. A barrister is a lawyer Who argues cases in higher courts? Yes, barristers are expert in courtroom advocacy. Yeah. In UK legal system, the work is oftenly divided like this. Solicitor prepares case and communicates with clients. Barrister argues case before judge. Yes. Simple comparison. Simple comparison. Term meaning. Lawyer. General term for someone who has studied law. Advocate. Lawyer who can practice in court wearing with white band and black coat. Solicitor. Give legal advice to client. Barrister. Argues cases in higher courts. Yes. Quick comparison. Lawyer, general term. Advocate, represent in court. Solicitor, gives legal advice. A barrister handles court arguments in specific countries. Yes. So now you can understand these terms are not exactly the same. Understanding these differences is very important if you are interested in law or facing any legal issue. Yes. But here is something to think about. Before this video, did you believe they were all the same? In the next video, we will uncover another important legal concept that many people get wrong. So stay connected, stay empowered, keep learning. I will see you in the next one.